Hello students, in today's video I am going to tell you about the multiplication of decimal digits. If we have this number, we will multiply 524 multiplied by 73 simply. First we will multiply by 3 and we will get cut here for the second row and second digit 7. We will multiply 524 by 7 and we'll get, adding we will get this. As we can see that there are 2 digits after decimal here and 1 digit here. There are 3 digits in total after decimal. Then in the answer we will put 3 digit decimal. We will count 3 digits 1, 2, 3 and we will put decimal here. This is the answer. You have no need to consider decimal anything. After we will multiply it simply, you will put decimal in the answer by counting these digits after decimals. I hope you had understood it. If you have any query about this, comment me in comment box, and if you have any query I will solve it in the next video. Okay, thank you.